the imperative of be plus adjective. صيغة الأمر باستخدام verb to be في المصدر زائد الصفة. You can find this in book 1, Listening and Speaking, Unit 7, entitled Is it ever too late to change? The imperative, صيغة الأمر. The imperative of be plus adjective. We use the imperative when we offer advice, give instructions, or make commands. Here, let me give you the imperative be plus adjective. We use it when we offer advice عند إعطاء نصيحة, give instructions إعطاء إرشادات, or make commands أو إعطاء أوامر, and command has the same meaning as order. Here, the imperative can be affirmative or negative. First, let's start with the affirmative. Be plus adjective. Let's have examples. Be careful. كن حذرا. هذه صيغة الإثبات. Be careful. Be ready. كن مستعدا أو استعد. Be prepared. كن جاهزا أو اجهز. Be quiet. كن هادئا أو اهدأ. I'd like you to observe that the subject you is implied in the meaning. Here, I mean the subject of the imperative statement is you. However, we do not say or write the word you. الفاعل في الأمر هو you بمعنى أنت, ولكن لا نكتبه أو نقوله. Let's have example. Be you ready is wrong. Why? Because we don't say or write you. Here, the correct one is be ready. Good. Now let's go to the negative advice. النصيحة في حالة النفي. The form is don't be plus adjective. For example, don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't be late. Don't be scared. The detailed advice. To give more detailed advice, affirmative or negative, we can add to plus infinitive to adjectives. Here, لكي إعطاء نصيحة مضافا إليها تفاصيل النصيحة نستخدم هذه الصيغة. Let's have examples. Be flexible to change your goals. Here, when we say be flexible, كن مرنا. For more details, لتفاصيل, we say to change your goals. كن مرنا لكي تستطيع أن تغير من أهدافك. Let's have more examples. Be ready to check your progress. Be careful to avoid an accident. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Here, I'd like you to notice that we use the negative form. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared to speak up. Good. Now, let's have some practice. First, use the words to make imperative sentences. Use be plus adjective plus to plus infinitive. Let's start. Here we have ready, get up early. Right. The answer is be ready to get up early. Careful, follow rules. Be careful to follow rules. Flexible, change your mind. Be flexible to change your mind. Now, let's do the next exercise. Use the words to make imperative sentences. Use don't be plus adjective plus to plus infinitive. Here, as you notice, we use the negative imperative. الأمر في صيغة النفي. Shy, introduce yourself. Good. We say don't be shy to introduce yourself. Afraid, ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Surprised, hear different opinions. Don't be surprised to hear different opinions. Thank you and good luck.